Hey, what's up, Flamers? Welcome back to Mega Flames. Today we're in Five Nights at Monkeys. Five Nights at Monkeys. Is this what you wanna be? I just don't get it. Yeah, I'm with one of my friends. Where is he? There you are, you goofy. What? Wait. There you are, you goofy little boy. What? Ah! Okay, I'm gonna do some parkour. Care to join me? Ooh, parkour. I'm gonna do easy because this is easy. Easy. Oh, this doesn't seem. Oh yeah, this is easy. I did it. You beat an easy. Medium. Donk, donk. No. Oh, I did it. I did it. Hard. I beat hard before when I installed the game before, but I uninstalled the game. Ah! Bro. No.
Hey bro, do you want to do a YouTube show?
Wait. Hold on, I'm doing hard part. Yeah, I've beaten it before when I had the game installed. Whoa, too far. Just right. Yeah, I'm buns, I know.
Don't ask how I did this.
No! Are you on easy? Are you on hard? Parkour selected.
Yeah.
No!
I'm on really hard.
Yeah, I can't beat
really hard. Is really hard is really easy.
How?
Because all you gotta do is just bounce off these things.
What? No. Hard. Select hard. No. Yes. Ah. Yeah, so for this bit of the video, you might just be watching me fail parkour. Oh, I did it!
Let's go. Ah.
Can I parkour back? No, I can't. I want to do really hard now. I'm not going to be able to do it. Yeah, I've done this before. It's easy, but the next one after this is harder because it's slippy.
Yeah.
Look, you can just do this.
Yeah, but it's also kinda even harder that way. I'm doing insanely hard, or the one in the middle between. What's it called? I'm doing dangerously hard.
Oh my god!
I did
it!
dangerously hard. Okay, now it's time to do impossible.
Oh nah.
Don't even look at impossible.
I'm on dangerously hard.
I've already done that.
I want the lava. I want the lava stuff.
I already have it. I just do it for fun. One time my friend did it on his first try.
Damn. Okay, let's actually get into a game.
You want to do short?
Let me just buy the parkour stuff. Parkour badge. Oh, we already own the item. I already own the parkour item. Oh, I can't have both on. Guess I'll just have my tie. Okay, I'm just gonna go back onto hard, and then...
Wait,
No, wait, I'm gonna take
a short really quick.
Sure, but I'm gonna take the thing off my car. After we do the short.
Okay.
Oh, what happened to my controllers?
Okay. So here's what I want you to do. Okay, I want you to come up to me and be like, do you want to play mini games? And put on
Okay.
a party hat.
I don't have a party hat.
Wait, how much money does it say up there?
It says 2929.
Okay, then you have enough. Purchase this.
This pack. Oh, okay.
You have it?
It says item still.
Just put it on and then...
Oh, yeah, I own the item.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yeah, I know what I'm gonna put on. Let me just customize my fit though. Mini game. After this, I'm gonna put this top hat on after. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot I bought this. Let me get the party hat then. Okay. Hold on.
Okay, you're gonna come up to me. You're gonna come up to me and be like, "Do you want to play mini games?"
Okay,
When I'm putting
wait.
on my...
Tell me when to go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Man, these cost minutes.
Hey, you. Do you want to play mini games?
No! What do you think about people like you?
No.
Do you know what I think about you?
No.
Weird.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice job.
Thanks. I need my beautiful top. I'm known for wearing a top hat. Give me. Yeah. Meow. Look behind
There's a
you.
camera mod.
Wait, there's a camera mod.
Yeah.
Where?
You go onto the computer.
What's this
and it says camera.
button? What's this
It
button?
says camera right,
No, wait, look.
right here.
No, wait, what's this button? I pressed it.
I don't know. I forgot.
Maybe it's to get a cosmetic.
No, you don't get a cosmetic, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, well, wanna do a match?
They haven't added multiplayer.
Oh.
Bro, look. Do you see how close I am? Look at my fingerprint.
Does it have 1,000 views, though?
It has 10,000 views.
Damn.
I think I might get it by the end of this month. Hopefully.
I really want to get... I really want the stick.
I applied for it. I've seen Game Boy Alex. I was in a lobby with him. Yo. Why do lights flicker whenever I'm in this room, bro? Does that happen to you?
I don't know. Come. So what should we do?
Wait, I'm gonna do the last part.
I'm gonna join the Discord. Let's see, customizing experience. Every now and then. Are you active? Yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.